Just before we commence, my Lord, Advocate Nisi. Before we commence, Advocate Nisi would like to address the court briefly regarding the situation of Mr. Mngomezulu.
Of?
Mr. Mngomezulu.
Is it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
As it please the court, my lord. I'm not so sure whether the registrar, the court's registrar, has received the correspondence from Mr. Mngomezulu.
I haven't, at least. Here is it.
As it please the court, my lord. I think my colleagues and myself, and the state as well, we had a letter from...
He says he received a letter yesterday. You say you received a letter yesterday. Today you haven't received anything. That's what he says.
I think that's the same letter that I would
okay.
want to refer to, my lord.
Yeah.
Yes. I think the content are self-explanatory.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Thank you, my lord. So basically, he's indicating that the medical advice that he should be at home up until the 4th, which would be Sunday. All probabilities will be back then on he'll be back on the 4th.
On the 4th of this month?
On the 4th of November, my lord.
November.
Which is the next week, Monday.
So what happens? In the meantime, you'll be assisting him?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, my lord.
Thank you. Thank you. Right, sir.
ukuthi-ke kunencwadi-ke singeke sibaluleke ukuthi incwadi ukuthi kodwa-ke uyile-ke yobona udokotela ukuthi-ke uzoba sekhaya-ke kuze kushaye isonto ngazo i-3 uzobuya ngomsombuluka ngeyi-4 zikaNovemba usezoqhubeka-ke Mr. Mnisi emele ubaba Mngomezulu.
So what's your view, Mr. Sibiya?
Baba uSibiya ungasukuma inkantolo sokwazi ukuthi uthinike wena kulokho. I am in agreement with that, my lord.
Oh, okay, fine. Thanks. Yes, sir.
Is this on it? Yes. Just before we continue from where we left off yesterday, Brigadier Gininda, if I can refer you to the introductory sentence that you've already placed on record of Exhibit JJ1, where accused number 2 states as follows.
Yes.
I used to work in Carltonville in 2014. Still on the subject of corroboration.
Yes, my lord.
Just want to show you Exhibit DD1. DD1 is the bank statement of accused number 2 from Capitec Bank. On page 3 of Exhibit DD1, there's an address where he's employed. Can you just put that on record?
Yes, my lord. The address, it's Driefontein, Carltonville, my lord. And I can confirm indeed, my lord, that he was employed there. My recollection was his date of employment is 2009 up to 2016.
2009?
Up to 2016, my lord.
Lana-ke i-statement lesi-ke Capitec ne? Capitec la echaza-ke ikheli noma la ehlala khona wayehlala khona-ke ubongani Ntanzi kubhalwe Driefontein eCarltonville. Ngingasho-ke futhi-ke ukuthi-ke la ayesebenza khona-ke waqala ngo-2009 bayofika-ke ngo-2016.
Regarding what you've just mentioned now, we wish to show you Exhibit DD, Annex 2. This is the affidavit of Mr. Hendrik Louis Mulder that you've already referred to. If you can put on record what is stated in paragraph 4, subparagraphs A and F.